Hello everyone, in front of me is Nubia 5G and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestion. Once you want to activate this feature on your Nubia, you have to open the settings and enter system and update. Then go to languages and input and click on current keyboard. Now you see that it is Gboard, so let's customize the Gboard by tapping on on-screen keyboard, marking Gboard, and then select emojis, stickers and GIFs. Scroll all the way down and here you can manage the suggestions, so unless this indicator is active, just click to turn it on to activate emoji suggestion while typing. The last tab here is also for emoji stickers, so if you want to activate them or have them active, just make sure that it is on. And that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.